In this video, we will introduce thread states within the Java programming language. While a thread is alive, it is in one of several states. On a single processor system, only one thread is actually running at a time. The other threads are either blocked or are ready to run and waiting for a turn on the processor. The thread scheduler controls which one of the ready-to-run threads is actually running on the processor. Only one thread is actually in the running state at any given time. All the other threads that are ready to run wait to be picked up by the thread scheduler. Thread priority helps the thread scheduler choose which of the ready-to-run threads should be run next. Threads can be blocked in one of four states. When a thread executes thread.sleep, it blocks until the specified number of milliseconds passes or until it is interrupted by another thread. When a thread encounters a wait statement block, it is blocked until it is notified, interrupted, or the specified number of milliseconds elapses, if a timeout was specified. By looking at code, we can see how the different changes of state occur in a thread. Here we have two variables that communicate our state, waiting and ready. Our demo class extends thread and overwrites run. Here we are basically checking to see if our thread is waiting. We call the method startWait that goes into a loop and calls wait on the thread. And it waits until it's interrupted. We also put it to sleep and we wait till it's interrupted there. When notice is called on the thread, it changes the instance variable ready to true and it notifies all the other threads. Let's uncomment this code out. And we can see that we create here an instance of the demo, call it demo thread. And we're going to create a method called print thread status. So let's implement that. And we're going to use the methods to be able to get the state of the thread and also to see if it's still alive. Okay, here we have our method signature. And we're going to print to the console what our thread state is. First, we'll get the name. Then we'll get the alive status. And then we'll get the state. If we look at here, thread is alive. It tests if this thread is alive. A thread is alive if it has been started and has not yet died. Now let's look at this getState method. This returns the state of this thread. This method is designed for use in monitoring of the system state, not for synchronization control. Now we're going to run our program and we can see the different changes in state. Right-click on Source, Run as Java Application. We can see that the demo thread checked to see if it was alive and its state was new. And after that, it started. It was waiting and alive, and then we find it terminating and a state changing to terminated. This concludes our discussion of thread states in Java.